So today I'll be showing you how to customize your gym graphics. So over the years, we've made a lot of improvements to what you can do with each set of graphics you choose for your edits. We now have different body types, upper, lower, front and back gym graphics, which you can use. So for example, if we select the mesomorph graphic, we have a new customization color bar, which you can scrub through left or right. You can add up to 12 different colors, and each color, if you press and hold, you can customize and change it to whatever color you wish for. If you press the add button, you can add more colors, or if you wish to adjust any color, you can do that right here. I'll change the body color so you have better clarity on what's going on. So if you scroll to the bottom, we can change the body thickness. So for some of you, you might want a more defined graphic, which looks pretty cool. Or some of you might prefer something that's a little bit more subtle. We've provided the parameters to fully customize the graphics as much as you want, such as the ability to change the outline so you can get a look which best represents your brand. With the outline, we can go ahead and add another color. So there's a lot we can do here. And as you can see, you can play around with different colors to get a personalized look. This is a great opportunity for individuals that have a color palette for their content. Or if you have a favorite color, you can now play around with that. So if we do proceed to customize our graphics, we can go ahead and do so. So just like that, we can get a good idea on what we can do with the graphics. And then once you finish, you can save your graphics into your library. So once you've finished and completed the customization process, you can hop directly into your editor. And then if you go to stickers and go to gym graphics, you'll be able to find the graphics that you've created, just like that. And then you can decide where in the video you'd like to add those. So that is how to customize your gym graphics. So these are the gym graphic V2. I'll show you how to customize the gym graphic V3. So with the V3, these are slightly different and they behave slightly different. So far, they do have limitations in terms of customization for colors. So this section does not have the ability to press and hold. However, we have a spectrum of colors which you can choose. We are working on an update that allows you to customize the graphics depending on the color, and also the option to remove or edit the animations. So we can go ahead and save this into our library. Now I'll walk you through the gym graphic V4. So as you can see, this structure is a little bit different. So the pose is slightly different to the gym graphic V2. However, the customization options are still the same. So for this one, and we still have the option for the outline and thickness, and we can save those. One thing that we have done in this update, whenever you use the gym graphics, you can now continue from where you left off, which means that you don't need to restart your color palette every time, which allows you to create multiple graphics across different versions. This should simplify your flow. As you can see, the colors are still there, which means that if you want to save, so now this should be able to speed up the process for editing your graphics and mass producing your graphics. And you can do as many graphics as you want, and then we can save these into our library. So once you open the editor, once again, head over to stickers and then head over to gym graphics. In here, you'll be able to find your graphics ready to edit with the option to export in 4K, 30 frames per second, or in different aspect ratios. So that is the tutorial on how to use the gym graphics. If you have any questions, do let us know in the comment section, or head over to the settings panel in the app and do submit your feedback.